This is my house. And this is my basement. As you can see, my basement has a lot of needs. It needs a lot of work and a lot of improvement. We're gonna turn my basement into my dream wood shop. Follow along to see how it goes. One of the biggest issues in the basement is actually the lighting. So we have these bulbs here, but we need to upgrade that a little bit. We need a little more light, open up the space. So let's see what we're gonna pick out. So we have this bulb light here, and as you can see, there's no bulb in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install one of these garage lights, and it just screws into the bulb here. It comes with this black piece. You take this out and it screws right in. So we'll do that here, kind of to get blinded. I think it's off. We're in. Oh, and she's on. And she's bright. Let's see what else we need to get done. All right, so we've gotten a few things done today, not a ton, but we're going to continue to clean this place up, follow along, and see what happens next.